Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be building a water level indicator circuit. So these are the materials we'll be using. First is the 4 long wires, a 9V battery, 3 resistors 220 ohms each, 3 LEDs, yellow, red and green, an active buzzer, 3 transistors, 2 2N22A and 1 5BC547, 3 blue jumper wires, a small short wire, a battery clip, and a breadboard. Water container. Let's start building. First of all, we'll be putting in the battery clips from the negative to negative and from the positive to the positive. The next is the connection of the LEDs. We'll first connect the red LED to the negative side. So be careful of the anode and cathode. Okay, done. Second is the connection of the second LED, which is the yellow one, and we're giving them space so that our work will look neat. The third is the green LED. I'll be careful of the anode and the cathode. Then the next is the resistor. We'll be connecting the resistor, okay, from this side to this. Second for the yellow LED. The other resistor. Then we'll be connecting the last resistor, but alongside I'll be connecting it with the buzzer. So we'll continue alongside with the buzzer from this side to this side. Okay. The active buzzer. Better for us, let us reduce the length of the LED so that it will accommodate the buzzer and the resistor on that line. We're connecting the buzzer. Then the resistor. Then also we'll be connecting the buzzer to the negative side. The next now is the connection of the transistors. So we're connecting this. We'll be careful of the base and the emitter and the collector. So this is the, let me see, this is the 2N22A. So the collector will be going to the load, which is to here. Okay. The same thing with others. This one is the 2N22, the same thing. Collector going here. Then the BC547, which will now be the opposite of the rest of them. Next, we'll be connecting the 3 jumper wires from one way. Let's do it to the other ones too. We'll put it to the emitter. Do it from the emitter to the negative side of the breadboard. For the other ones, it's going to be the emitter to the negative side of the breadboard. So let's look at the circuit very well. So right now we are done with the circuit part on the breadboard. this is when the big guy comes in. So now we'll be dividing this water container into 3 parts. If it is here, to shine red when it is low, that is from this point. Then it will be yellow when it is more than half. Then you hear the sound of a buzzer, and also the green LED will shine when it is full. We have 4 wires here. We'll be connecting the longest to the positive side of this motherboard. That is 2 here. Then we'll be connecting the second to longest. That is this one to the red LED, because LED is low, so that means this one needs to be long enough. We'll be connecting it to the base of each transistor. Next is the third longest, which will go to the yellow, which will be the middle, also to the base of each transistor. Then last is the shortest, which will now go to green, also to the base of each transistor. So the next step right now is to connect these wires to the water container. Actually, we'll be needing a masking tape and a scissors. So now I'll be connecting the wires to the container. So first of all, we'll put the tape at the wire, then now put it at the container. Though we should be standing, but I prefer connecting it while it's lying down. Okay, to use a very strong masking tape to hold it. Then the next is the yellow. The same thing, we'll cut the masking tape out with our scissors. Okay, then now put it here under yellow. Then the last, which is the green and the buzzer. This one actually means it's full, so they don't need of us bringing it that much down. So we'll just put it at this masking tape at the up over here. I'll just place it there and tight it. Although not the final. Then we'll just put the positive side in like that. There's no need of us placing it anywhere. We'll just put it just from the positive side. So the final stage is the connection of the battery, the 9V battery. It's actually be the final stage. Then now let us now test the water level indicator. Like, share, and click the subscribe button. Most importantly, don't forget that.